Hello beautiful family, welcome to my channel. In today's video, what I have for you is my own way or pattern of making cabbage sauce, and I call it James Nancy cabbage sauce recipe. Cabbage is a sauce we prepare using cabbage as a primary ingredient, whereas other vegetables can as well be added to the sauce. I'm sure you clicked the video to know how I came up with this delicious cabbage sauce on my thumbnail. Then let's dive right into the video. The primary ingredient I have for this cabbage sauce is cabbage. As you can see, I've cut the cabbage off the camera to save time. I wash the cabbage before cutting it and rewash after cutting using water and vinegar to be sure it is totally clean. You can as well use water and salt to wash it after cutting to achieve the same thing. There is no problem about that. Do follow me alongside this video to know other of my ingredients. Thank you. Yeah, next is to place a pan on the heat, and I'm going to add a little vegetable oil to heat up. You can as well use any oil of your choice. For me, I am using sunflower. Once the oil is preheated, as you can see, I've added my sliced onion, and I will fry the onion until the onion is translucent. Once the onion is translucent, add the pepper mix. In here I got fresh tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and garlic blended together. Fry for about 3 to 5 minutes. Once that is done, add the tomato sauce and stir very well to combine. Afterwards, cover halfway and allow to fry or dry well for about 10 minutes. Ten minutes later, this is what we got. As you can see, the tomato is well cooked. Yeah, I will stir one more time to combine. And the next thing I want to add is the seasoning. Please do feel free to use any seasoning of your choice, but for me, I'll be using meat spices, powder seasoning, curry powder and some salt to taste. After that, I will stir very well to combine. Keep watching. Please give this video a thumbs up before you forget. I don't want to hear that you forgot. Alright, share this video to families and friends and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. Even after doing that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel with the notification bell to be notified anytime we upload amazing videos like this. God bless you. Once the stirring is done, add a little turkey broth to loosen it up. You can use any broth you have at home. There's no problem about that. Stir very well please and cover halfway. While you have a splatter guard, you can use it, or better still leave it open. Do not cover completely to avoid burnt. Allow this to cook for just 10 more minutes, alright? 10 minutes later, virtuous family, this is what we got. The cabbage sauce is really reporting the way I just wanted. Next is to add the grilled turkey. Yes, grilled turkey is what I'm using. You can use any protein of your choice, but bear in mind that I do not grill the turkey to be too hard. I don't want any tough meat, okay? My body no need problem at all. And secondly, to make your sauce with a very hard or toughy meat is not really good, okay? But grill or fry the protein you are using to your preference, alright? Because my choice might not be your choice. We will allow the stew and the grilled turkey to embrace themselves for at least 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes later, the stew is still very thick to my liking. So what I will do now is to add a little turkey broth once more to loosen it up. But if you like a thick sauce, you can skip this part. There's no problem about that. Then after which I will cover and allow it to cook for 3 more minutes for them to embrace themselves. Yeah, finally this is the beautiful sauce we have, and it is really well cooked. Next is to stir very well to combine, and then add the vegetable, which is carrot, green bell pepper and cabbage, which is our primary ingredient for today's recipe. You can add more veggies if you so wish, or better still use only cabbage. There's no problem about that. Once the stirring is well done, allow to simmer on a low heat for 2 to 3 minutes. Remember, this is vegetable. We don't want to overcook it so as to retain their nutrients. If you like to add more cabbage in your stew or sauce, you can go ahead to add more. There's no problem about that, but I am okay for this. Anyways, if you like, your cabbage very tender as well. You can allow it to cook for more than 2 minutes. I like my cabbage in between, not too tender, not too crunchy. Yeah, 2 minutes later, virtuous family, this is the beautiful stuff we have, and we have come to the best part of my video, which is check and balance the taste. And I found out that the taste of the cabbage sauce is absolutely delicious. On this junction, our cabbage sauce recipe is ready. Let's go to the table and do it some good. Yeah, we are done. As we all know, we are eating the cabbage sauce today with some white rice. You can as well eat it with boiled or fried yam, boiled or fried potato, turmeric rice or jollof rice, and even boiled or fried plantain. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe with a notification bell to be notified anytime we upload a new video, and give this video a huge thumbs up, share the video to families and friends, and drop your beautiful comment to encourage us. This is all we have for you for today's video from me and all my crew. Thanks once again for watching. Always remember this, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.